Hi, I'm Michael Deere. I started this company 32 years ago called SpyCentre Security. I was basically in the private investigation business all my life, sweating, freezing, waiting for something to happen or people to move. You know, it's all about attention to detail. There's just so much junk on the market today compared to the old days. I was the young guy in the industry, now I'm the old guy in the industry.
SpyCentre Security.
SpyCentre Security.
SpyCentre Security.
SpyCentre Security.
SpyCentre in Dallas this morning with the latest on spy gadgets.
Today we're going to answer some questions off of Reddit about, is this a hidden spy camera? Let's take a look at the photos. We're going to start with the first one here, which is a ridiculous picture of a dog and a very poor camera that maybe they think is hidden, but it's definitely a camera. This one's funny because someone thinks this is a camera on a fence, but it's simply a mount for a camera. If there was a camera, it would be on that mount. That just holds the camera, so no camera. Now this one's a big one. It's a wall clock, mostly commercial. Obviously people don't have this type in homes, but this is a perfect place. I've been building cameras like that back in the day. A lot of times they can have electricity, which is great because then you don't have to worry about changing batteries or anything like that. This one's not very well hidden, but you can do a pinhole in one of the numbers there. So, you know, this one, my guess, is a camera, but it is a good spot for a camera. That says it's in the bathroom. I think that's just somebody trying to mess with somebody else, because to me it's not a camera, it's just a fake eyeball they put up there. It looks goofy. This one asks, is this a hidden camera in a vent, like a bathroom fan? I would be suspicious that it could be, because the camera itself doesn't emit that green light, but maybe something on the board does. And if someone hit it, they didn't do a good job. You can put duct tape over it, the little buttons or the lights, but I've never seen a vent that has a light like that. So yeah, I'd be suspect of that. And then this is, to me, it's not a camera. It looks just like a common 360-degree motion detector for like a burglar alarm or something like that. But I don't see any way it's, a camera seeing through that without any pinhole there. This is cool. I don't think it's a camera, but we make cameras like this for police, where they can strap it on a pole. It's got cellular, solar, but we would use more of a hidden type camera than this. I believe that's just a light sensor to turn on something, at dusk or dark. This, just on the surface, I think they think that green light is a camera, which it's not. This is a GFCI outlet, and they all have either a green or red light to know that they're, not tripped. But I have seen many of these where a hidden camera could be in one of the holes of the receptacle. If you used a spy camera finder like we offer, that would be very easy to detect. Anyway, that's the first installment of, is this a hidden camera, that we pulled off of Reddit. Thanks for joining us. Appreciate it.